Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn A to E and 1 to 5. आज हम सीखेंगे A से E तक लिखना और 1 से लेके 5 तक नंबर. तो चलो पहले रंगों के नाम जान लेते हैं. Let's learn some colors name. Orange color, green color, blue color, black color, pink color, violet color, yellow color, dark pink color, brown color and light green color. So let's get started. Red color A. A for ant. A for ant. Blue color B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Pink color C. C for cat. C for cat. Green color D. D for donkey. D for donkey. Yellow color E. E for elephant. E for elephant. A for apple, B for butterfly, C for cat, D for donkey and E for elephant. Now let's move to 1. Red color 1. Blue color 2. Pink color 3. Now I will draw number 4 with green color. Number 4, green color. Yellow color number 5. Yellow color number 5. You have completed from 1 to 5. 1 red color, 2 blue color, 3 pink color, 4 green color, 5 yellow color. Very good. Good. Keep it up guys. Good. Very good. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.